Alright guys, here is the Ryobi 30-inch prototype. It is a crosscut, so it has the dual blades for each. Well, it has two blades, a blade on each side, but it has also the crosscut blades. So very cool. Seems pretty well made. Lighter than the Greenworks as far as seems like this would be easier to turn. Does have a side discharge that I see. It takes their 80-volt battery right here, which is pretty cool. Also has bagging mode. Looks like a very big bag, you know, as well if you like the bag. Single height adjustment for the whole thing, which is pretty cool. But looks like a pretty well thought out mower. I can't wait to try it. But that was definitely a big surprise when we walked in yesterday to see this. As you guys know, we've started using the Ryobi 48-volt mower, and we've been very happy with it so far. It's very solid, and you know, I think Ryobi's really came a long ways over the last decade, and it seems like their stuff is much more dependable, or you know, much more durable than it used to be. Real easy. Look at one hand height, or you know, adjustment for the handles, but very cool looking mower. I'm excited to see this thing come to fruition if it does, and try it out.